I have started my recording. So what I'm going to do, I will just written here get process hyphen zoom I have given, right? In that, what I'm going to do, I'm using the pipe symbol. I'm writing select hyphen object select hyphen object I have given. And what I want name, so I can filter. I want name information. What I want, you can go down and you can see what thing you want to display. I want to display name, I want to display ID, so I can just go here and I will give where it is name comma ID. If you want anything more like CPU, you can write CPU, if comma what you want, company, you want company detail, you can give here comma. If you want path, so you can give this, okay, directly away. So something whatever you want, you can filter using that, and you will able to display this all result, right? If you want again, what you want, you want to go with your format table. So if you give directly here format table, so you will able to get the result into table format, right? So what happened, you have filtered something, this output is become input for this is filter, that all from there you are filtering again, and then after that again whatever result is given, you are passing again to this one. So I hope you understood about the why we are using the pipe symbol, right? Pipe symbol will be used for starting, stopping. There is multiple of work you will able to do using that pipe symbol, right? Like get hyphen service, you've taken the get hyphen services, and what I'm going to do, I'm writing here hyphen name as I having the MS SQL server, MS SQL. Okay, I'm writing this only. So get services, I want my what are the services is there, I was able to see this, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this services. I'm seeing it is running, I can go directly with this pipe symbol and you can write stop, stop hyphen service. So what is going to be happen now, it is going to stop the services also. If I'm going to run now, so what you are going to see, you are able to see it is the stop. If I'm not going to give anything in that, and directly if I'm going to execute this get services stop services, what it will do, it is going to stop my all services, no doubt. Same thing it is here. You can go with zoom name, I think I have explained already. If you want table format, you understood what is the table format. It will be all result, because I have given the star, so it is giving the all result, even it is not able to display in this. So I cannot go with table wise the same thing, even, right? I cannot go with the table size. If I will go with the table size, I will not able to use, I will go with the white size. What is the white? Okay, so it is not going to give any result, it is just going to give one result only. If you go with the list wise, what happened, result will come into the serial one by one number, straight line format. If you are going and you are writing get process hyphen name SQL, so it is going to display which are the SQL process is running. So it is not like SQL services, it is the process. Got it? So which are the SQL process is running, you can see 1 2 3 SQL process. It is not display the service name, it is display the process name. You already know what is the difference between service and process, right? So if you are going to give here property and name, so it is going to display the only name of the property, it is not going to display the all, right? So if you are going with the white wise get process white, if you are going to give, it is going to display in this format. If you are writing in the table auto size, same thing, it is going to display into the auto size, already we have done. I'm getting the process, and if you are going to give column 40, so what will happen, your result is divided into the 40 part. If you will give one, so result will come into the one line, all result, right? Getting or not? Got it? No, no
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah, it's clear.
So
No,
it
no.
is just you have to go to the more practicing onto the same thing. I am running get process format date property and name. So it is going to display the name and property. If I'm going, if I want anything related with PowerShell ISC, which one I am working, I have opened only one, it is going to display the only one. If I want to get about all process which is related with SQL Server agent, so I can see it is not coming. Maybe it is, you can filter using that also. So like that, you will able to do whatever you want, you will able to do that. So get process PowerShell ISC, you want what company name, ID, and this one you go and you can filter it. So you will able to get that. So there is few things, you go and you can check how to format the table, what are the table is will be available for uh, this one. Again, one more thing I want to explain you here, that is very important, that is called I am writing 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, just example, and I will write some pipe symbol here, right? I'm writing, I can rotate into the loop byte also. For each, I have written for each hyphen object. This is also is as a select object only. For each object is nothing but it will rotate into the loop and it will going to select your data, right? So, and I already told you how you can filtering this, means if you want to rotate, I have last time I have given like this, right? Are you remember? For each object, whenever I was taking the result for get services, that time also I was using for each object, then I was giving dollar underscore and I was giving the dot. You want to filter using name or something, I was giving equal to stop
Yeah.
station, right? So what is the meaning of dollar underscore? If I'm running here, you can see all result is coming 1 2 3 4 5. Dollar underscore nothing but it is a shortcut of PS item. It is nothing but whatever result you are sending before that pipe symbol, whatever data you are taking, this, even if you want, if somewhere if you are getting dollar underscore, if you have any doubt, it will be nothing but PS item. It is nothing but it is a PS item only. If I'm going to execute this is also same result. It is nothing but this all item, whatever you are saving it, it is rotating under the loop here. No doubt? No doubt? Correct, guys?
No, it's clear. Yeah, correct for me.
So it is you have to do the more practice, because if I will go with the get date, if you will running the only get date, what is the result you will get? You are getting this, it is like this format. If I want pipe symbol, I am taking this output result, output I am formatting for hyphen, I am writing table. So this time the result will come into the table format. What is the date, tape, these things, right? If you want, you can go with the format list wise also, list, and you are going to execute this. So this time this will come in this format. I hope you understood what is the pipe symbol and all, where you are using and how you are using, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Hope I think you have understood. So what is the work you have to do? So first of this code, whatever I have explained, you try to execute uh, in your system. Check whether it is working or not. If it is not working, go and check why it is not working, and where is the authentication fail is error is coming. Even I will also try. If you are able to do that, you can go with the attachment, hyphen attachment, you can give attachment. And attachment you can give here somewhere, it is there, no, attach. You pass this variable from here like this. So what it will do, it will be take this attachment, right? And in this attachment, what you have to do, I want you into the two part. One part you can create this. This is the sending mail, right? Above that, what you will do, whatever thing I have explained here, you take any example of this time you go take about the SQL, or you take the PowerShell only, anything. You go and take some information which having the more CPU. After that, again you give the pipe symbol, or you journey the file file. You just save this result into some location. That location address you give pass from here, like how I have passed no C/something. So in your first step, what it has to do, it has to go to the PowerShell, will go, it will be capture that some result, and that result it will create the file. That file you are going to send using the PowerShell mail. Whether you will able to do that? Got it? No, what requirement I have
Yeah,
given?
yeah.
I
We
want
can
few
try.
things,
We can
anything,
try.
anything I want you to just filter as per your requirement, which having the more CPU, right? Highest CPU, you go and take that value and save into the notepad file, sending using that file you try to send using this mail. Subject you can give that one as a high CPU process, right? Simple programming. So this time I am adding two program into this. Later classes, once we will learn about reporting and all, that time you will see how we are going to do. Or otherwise, like failed job. So this is the job which are the failed. You can create into the HTML file also. Later I am going to explain you how you can do the color coding and all. So now if you want, you can use HTML also. How you can generate the HTML, where you are giving out hyphen file, just you type there .html, right? And use the convert to HTML. That line 100% you have to use, and then you save the result into the file. If you don't, if you have any doubt, later class we are going to discuss this. Or otherwise, use the notepad only, because I have not explained you the HTML part. So take any result, 2 3 result you have to. What thing you can do? Some process which having the CPU is more, it has to send that. If your note, if, last class I have explained you forcefully, you are going hard coding the SQL server error log path. In the error log path, you have seen if it's having the error and all, it is going to display. I think that also I have to explain. I have not explained that. It is not here, I think somewhere. This is done. Error log file, get process Gmail failed job. Okay, you can generate this failed job, so leave it. I have not explained you that. PowerShell command. Okay, this is same only. I think here it is not there. So you can take the result like last class, whatever I have explained you into the day one class. You can take that example only and try to send the some value, like you have seen here, right? We have gone through some error log, and here what you match with the error, and you generate the file, set content you do, and generate this result in the full error log file. You go and filter where you are finding error, and then you generate one notepad file. This notepad location you give it into here in this attachment, and you send as a attachment. You will able to try, right? You try to do that. You can create for that error, you can create for the CPU, you can hire, you can create for the memory pressure, whatever you want, you filter and try to send. Very small thing I'm giving you, right? So day 3 class I'm going to start tomorrow, and this class will be very important class, and it will go for till I think 4 5 6 days also. We have to discuss that much of script. Actual your PowerShell class is going to start from here only. We have to discuss this all script. So next class is very important. Till now we have just done the hands-on on the PowerShell for the understanding purpose. Actual PowerShell we are going to start tomorrow class, and I will suggest you day 3 class, don't miss it. If I am going to take the 6 day day 3 class, please continue with day 3 class. Okay, Rahul, no doubt. Chayad.
No, it's okay for me.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, thank you all. I will upload the video and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Bye.